Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to play GTA 5 online. Alright, let's begin. To play GTA 5 online, you need to own the original GTA 5 game from Epic Games, Steam, or Rockstar Games Launcher. Once the game launches, you can choose between Story Mode and Online directly from the loading screen. If you are already inside Story Mode, press the Escape key to open the Start menu. From the menu, navigate to the Online tab and select Play GTA Online. You will now see several session options. These include invite-only sessions, crew sessions, closed crew sessions, and close friend sessions. If you want to join a public lobby with other players, select the option at the top to join a public session. After selecting your preferred option, the game will begin loading you into a GTA Online session. If this is your first time playing online, you will be asked to create your character before entering the world. Once your character is set up, you can explore the city, complete missions, join events, and play with other players online. So that's basically how you can play GTA 5 online. That's it for this video. Thanks.